That was cool. Welcome to the vlog. What's up guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm gonna give you 10 tips for coming into Madeira, things that you might not know, and certainly something that will help you plan your perfect vacation in Madeira. So tip number one, bring your PCR test with you. Right, everybody that arrives in Madeira has to be PCR tested for COVID-19. Either you bring a test with you that's been done within 72 hours, or you do the test at the airport. If you bring your own test, then of course you risk, well, at least should I say don't risk testing positive. So certainly much easier for you. Bring your test, get it at home. That's tip number one, be safe. Let's go. Number two, take a taxi. Taxis are affordable in Madeira, right? I know in some places in the world it may seem that taxi drivers have a bad rep, but not here in Madeira. You can trust our taxi drivers, right? It's the fastest way to get from A to B, and you'll also be supporting a local business. Terry over here is one of the best guys to do airport transfers and tours around the island as well. I will link his details in the description below. Terry, thank you. Right, tip number three. Tip number three is support local businesses, right? Now more than ever, our local businesses have needed support from you guys, right? So down to the local bar, the local coffee shop, the taxis, the tour operators, everybody needs your help, and we need to be conscious about the decisions we make and where we spend our money on vacation. Tip number four, you want to plan your trip. There's so much to do in Madeira that you don't want to be the person who's stuck not doing anything at all and booking your tour at the last minute to find out that everything's been sold out. Make sure you got a plan. Don't be the guy who doesn't have a plan. Number five, sunsets and sunrises. Madeira being a naturally beautiful island, at sunset and at sunrise all the colors come out, everything gets really, really pretty. So whether you're by the sea or up in the mountains, make sure you take some time to see the sunset or the sunrise. Number six, bring your boots. Bring your boots, bring your hiking boots, right? So many people, they hear about Ladeira walks. Everybody wants to go on a Ladeira walk. They want to go into the forest. They don't bring their boots because they think it's a walk. Bring your boots, it's a hike. Bring your boots, bring your sunscreen, bring your waterproofs. Be prepared to be out in the open, catching sun, catching rain, catching anything that Madeira can throw at you. Number seven is the weather forecast, right? Don't trust the weather forecast in Madeira. People always ask me, is it going to be sunny? Is it going to be raining? I don't know. It could be sunny, it could be raining, could be snowing. The weather in the mountains is certainly a lot different than the weather in the city. I don't know if you guys can make out, but it's actually snowing here. I'm seeing snow in Madeira for the first time ever. And look, it's just, we're surrounded by Land Rovers. Wow, this is amazing.
Hello, I'm Lisa and I'm the Free Walking Tours Funchal owner and guide. I started this project about 3 years ago, so if you want to get to know Funchal, you can do it with me. One of our princes, a man called André the Navigator, started financing some of his men to explore the western coast of Africa. And it was when 2 of his men were doing this that they were caught on a sea storm. According to the legend, they were all about to drown. Fortunately for them, they managed to arrive to Porto Santo. While they were in Porto Santo, they saw in the horizon what they thought it was a big monster covered in fog. When the sea storm was over, they came a bit closer and instead of a big scary monster, they found Madeira. The settlement only started in 1425. It took them quite a few years between the finding and the settlement because, again, this was a very, very dense forest. By the way, do you know what the word Madeira means? Well, it's related with plants somehow. It means wood because of the forest that used to cover Madeira.
Number 8, Lisa's free walking tour. Lisa's an absolutely fantastic guide in Funchal. She's full of great knowledge and she's created some really interesting tours in Funchal. If you do one tour in Funchal, it's definitely Lisa's tour. I'll link the description below. Number 9, make sure you get yourself a tour guide in Madeira, right? The tour guides are experts in guiding you around, in making sure that you're in good weather, in good company, that you're safe. We actually made a video about this just last week. You can check out all the benefits of having a guide and even come on a tour with us so you can see what a tour is like with a guide, right? Stick around here. We're going to be showing you all sorts of stuff in this channel. So with a guide or without, you're still being looked after here at Hit the Road Madeira's YouTube channel. Last but not least, don't buy bottled poncha, all right? Even if I have to scream it to you guys, don't buy bottled poncha. The stuff you see in the supermarkets is rubbish. Poncha has to be made fresh, just like this, all right? If you want to check out good poncha spots, just keep following this vlog. Hit like and subscribe for much more videos. Of course, we're going to have so many more videos coming up. This is bar number 2 in Câmara de Lobos, where poncha was born. André, this one is for you. Veronica, we'll see you guys in the next week's vlog. Let's hit the road, huh?